What is up, guys, and welcome to Mind Strike on Mineplex. This is probably going to be the main game on my channel because, again, my name is Captain Frags. My name is not Western Plays. It used to be my YouTube channel, but we're just going to stick with the Captain Frags. And, well, as you can see, hey, look, there's a frag. So, yeah, we're not going to get it, though, because we can't. We don't have enough money right now, but we will. If we don't get it right. We're still oh, I killed him. 300 points. If we could win, that'd actually be amazing. This is my moment. Oh yeah, they have Glocks. We don't have Glocks. I gotta do something real fast. This is my usual render distance. Kinda messes me up though.
Terrorists win.
Let's just turn it to that. Again. Okay. Let's go for the AK, and then let's get some armor. Okay, sorry I have teamed around the distance because it just, I only put short plus on for Buggy because I don't lag. Because it's 1v1s, it's small map, you know. This is CSGO Mineplex. If you guys want to play for yourself, it's hub.mineplex.com. And, yeah, we'll need to be playing in 1.8. I personally just play 1.8 off the phone. Regular 1.8, not like any special, but let's get a Molotov and a frag. Baby.
We will defeat the mercenaries.
Okay. So we still have our guns because we didn't die, which is good. That means we can save a lot of money, so if we do die, we can buy our guns again. Now, oh, black spec, okay. I'm good, but this is frag. This is a frag, if you guys didn't know. Oh, killed by aquatic. Someone just got knifed? Pretty sure someone just got knifed. I heard a and then someone died. Where is everyone? Oh, A's planting. A's planted. Now if they try to defuse, I got my Molotov. But I mainly want to be using frag. Oh. Let's just buy another one of these. And yeah, we're still alive. Maybe we can go flawless. Maybe. Wait, did we die at the beginning? No, I don't think we did. Dang, we might go flawless, guys. Highly doubt it, though. I'm probably going to jinx myself, so yeah, let's just not talk about it. But yeah. Grenade. Molotov. Dangerous. Nice. Still alive. Now I want to go 3. Oh. I actually kind of want to try out this bad boy. I'll go back to the AK after, though. Probably gonna die.
Defeat the mercenaries.
Okay. So yeah, you can actually aim with this. I think it's really cool. Can you please, guys, tell me in the comments if CSGO, like the real thing, is laggy? Because I do not want to have a laggy game. And I might, if it's not laggy at all for me, I might be able to record some CSGO, legit, on Minecraft. I don't even know how to use this. I think I'm just going to go back to the AK. Yeah, AK. I think AK is the best, even though this is more expensive.
We will defeat the mercenaries.
Yeah. Okay, no damage. Good. Next time I'm probably gonna get Desert Eagle with my AK. But it's good to conserve the gun. They threw a Molotov. Nice. Now, 360. Oh. Okay, well, let's get There we go. How much money do I have? Yeah, I got 7,000.
Let us go. Grenade.
Molotov.
Throwing fire. Smoke.
Where's
I'm
this?
throwing
Oh,
flashbang.
no! He's trying to team kill. Freaking jerk. Okay.
I'm throwing flashbang. Grenade. Molotov.
Oh god, I can't see anything. Grenade, Molotov out. Go in, go in. Oh. Don't kill me, don't kill me. Molotovs do a crap ton of damage. So that's why I think they're the last game. Dude, we got this bad this whole game, dude. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. I like being on a winning team. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun. Okay. There we go. We have about a minute to 30 seconds. So let's get all of these.
Let us go. Let us go.
Let's go. I'm gonna throw everything when we're at their spawn. Every single thing we have, it's gonna be thrown right now.
Flashback. Grenade. I'm throwing smoke.
Okay. Oh, where are they? I could have wasted them, but then I didn't. Where is everyone? I've like seen no one. Whenever I do, they get wrecked immediately before I get to even shoot them. Come on. It's just taking too long. Nice. Okay, well,
I am planting the bomb.
hope you guys did enjoy. This
planting the
is
bomb.
Mindstrike on Mindplex, and I'll see you guys later.